All right, guys, this is Mr. H. This is the final question from the review packet. And it is basically they've given us a graph, and it's an absolute value because anytime you see a V, you know it's an absolute value. Now, the other thing that you should know right away is because it's an upside down V, it's probably going to be one of the ones on the bottom. But if you don't remember that, just they've given you four equations. You're going to enter these equations as functions, you're going to graph them, and you're going to see which one looks like this. So one of the things you should be looking for is what is the vertex for this? It's going to be at a -6, +1. All right. So it's also going to be over here to the left. But that's what we're going to look for. Now, I don't want to make this video too long, but if you don't understand why the first two can't be the answer, that's okay. Just enter them and say, you're going to see they're just going to be V's, and they're not going to be upside down V's. But so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this first one down here and I'm going to graph it. And then if that's not it, I'm going to graph the second one. So let me go there. I'm going to press tab. Now I want to change this from relation to function. So I'm going to do menu 31. And then I'm just going to enter it. It's going to be a -5. Now remember, to get the absolute value, you go to the key next to the book. It's going to be here. And then inside of there, I'm going to do x + 6. And then we're going to do +1. +1. And then press enter. All right, that looks like it. But let's do menu 63 because we want to find the vertex. And look, it matches. That's a -6, 1. That's what I wanted. So that's the answer. I don't even need to check the other one, but that's it. So I can go back to my, you can see that's in there. So I can delete this. And I know that this is our answer. Submit it. And it says, wonderful job. I completed the test. Now, this is the message you should be looking to see. Now, we can dismiss this, or we can go look at our numbers. I got a 92%. I missed 2 questions. I've completed 100%. But now, once I dismiss this, I can go back to home. Go back to home, and here it says open corrections. So now I have this open corrections. I initialize the test corrections, and the 2 questions that I miss, the line equation and interpret the linear function, I've got those questions in there, and now I can do those. So, but I'm done with this. The review, I might make a video showing the review questions or the test corrections just to show you how to do them. But basically, I'm done with this, and I am going to log out and post this.